Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can create an elf in Elfcam. So let's get started. So to create an elf in Elfcam, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, you have to search for the Elfcam. Okay, so I'm searching for my app Elfcam. So to create an elf in Elfcam, you have to follow this easy step. So here I will just agree. So no thanks. So from here you can directly click on start. Okay, then Elfcam will scan you, so you have to scan yourself and it will just make your Elfcam. Okay, so by this way you can just do it, and if you have any question you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.